Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about the Legion Go S, its cutting-edge specs, groundbreaking features, and potential price. Plus, we'll discuss why this device could be a game-changer in the handheld gaming industry. A trio of devices for CES 2025. Lenovo is going all out at CES 2025, solidifying its position as a leader in gaming innovation. The Legion Go S, the Legion Go 2, and an exciting Steam OS-based model tentatively called the Legion Go S Steam Edition are all part of this ambitious lineup. These devices aim to cater to a broad range of gamers, from casual players to hardcore enthusiasts. One of the standout details is the Legion Go S Glacier White variant, which is said to run on Windows, while the gray-colored model is likely powered by Steam OS. This diversity ensures that Lenovo offers something for every gamer, regardless of their preferred platform. Game-changing specifications. The power of the Ryzen Z2 Go APU. At the heart of the Legion Go S lies AMD's Ryzen Z2 Go APU, a powerful processor with 8 Zen 3 Plus cores and Radeon 800M RDNA 2 graphics. This advanced chipset is designed to deliver smooth and immersive gaming experiences, whether you're playing AAA titles or indie gems. AMD's updated naming scheme reflects its commitment to pushing the boundaries of integrated GPU technology, making the Legion Go S a force to be reckoned with. Supporting this powerhouse is up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X memory, ensuring lightning-fast performance and multitasking capabilities. Whether you opt for the 512 GB or the 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe storage option, you'll have plenty of room for your game library, media, and applications. Immersive display, Lenovo PureSight technology. One of the standout features of the Legion Go S is its 8-inch Lenovo PureSight display. This panel boasts a 1920 by 1200 resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a brightness level of 500 nits, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor gaming. With 100% sRGB color accuracy, visuals will be vibrant and true to life, ensuring an unparalleled gaming experience. True Strike controllers and design enhancements. Unlike its predecessor, the Legion Go S features fixed True Strike controllers with trigger switches, delivering precision and reliability for gamers. While detachable controllers were a highlight of the 2023 Legion Go, this year's model focuses on a more streamlined, ergonomic design. The dual USB 4 ports enhance connectivity, enabling faster data transfer, versatile peripheral support, and even external GPU compatibility for those looking to boost performance further. Battery life and portability. Lenovo has packed the Legion Go S with a 55.5 Wh battery, promising longer gaming sessions without frequent recharges. While real-world performance will ultimately depend on factors like game intensity and settings, this capacity is a promising improvement for handheld gaming enthusiasts. The Legion Go lineup, catering to every gamer. In addition to the Legion Go S, the Legion Go 2, and the Steam Edition broaden Lenovo's reach in the gaming market. The Legion Go 2 is expected to be an entry-level device, making high-quality gaming more accessible, while the Steam Edition taps into the growing demand for Linux-based gaming platforms. Competitive pricing and market positioning. The Legion Go S is rumored to launch at a price of approximately €600, positioning it as a compelling alternative to competitors like the Steam Deck, Asus ROG Ally, and Nintendo Switch 2. For the hardware capabilities and features offered, this pricing strategy could make it one of the most competitive devices in the handheld gaming market. The future of handheld gaming. Lenovo's bold move to expand its Legion Go series reflects a growing trend toward premium handheld gaming. With devices like the Ryzen Z2 Go APU-powered Legion Go S, the gaming community is witnessing a shift towards portable yet powerful platforms. The combination of top-tier specs, a sleek design, and competitive pricing makes the Legion Go S a device to watch in 2025. Whether you're a casual gamer or a tech enthusiast, Lenovo's latest lineup is poised to redefine what's possible in handheld gaming. Key takeaways and final thoughts. As we count down to CES 2025, the Legion Go S is shaping up to be one of the most exciting announcements of the year. Its powerful hardware, immersive display, and versatile features promise to set a new standard for handheld gaming. Stay tuned to technology in the future for all the latest updates on Lenovo's Legion Go series and other groundbreaking tech from CES 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.